Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Exercise. Today we are going to discuss about BigQuery Overview. As part of today's session, we will be discussing about introduction to BigQuery, BigQuery architecture, benefits of BigQuery, BigQuery interfaces, and target audience. Introduction to BigQuery. What is BigQuery? BigQuery is a fully managed AI-ready data platform that helps you manage and analyze your data with built-in features like machine learning, search, geospatial analysis, and business intelligence. BigQuery's serverless architecture lets you use language like SQL and Python to answer your organization's biggest questions with zero infrastructure management. Key features. BigQuery provides a uniform way to work with both structured and unstructured data and supports open table formats like Apache Iceberg, Delta, and Hoodie. BigQuery streaming supports continuous data ingestion and analysis, while BigQuery's scalable distributed analysis engine lets you query terabytes in seconds and petabytes in minutes. This is BigQuery's architecture. BigQuery's architecture consists of two parts: a storage layer that ingests, stores, and optimizes data, and a compute layer that provides analytical capabilities. BigQuery works on Dremel execution engine. These compute and storage layer efficiently operate independently of each other thanks to Google petabyte scale network that enables the necessary communication between them. Comparison with legacy databases. Legacy databases usually have to share resources between read and write operations and analytical operations. This can result in resource conflict and can slow queries while data is written to or read from storage. Shared resource pools can become further strained when resources are required for database management tasks such as assigning or revoking permissions. BigQuery's separation of compute and storage layer lets each layer dynamically allocate resources without impacting the performance or availability of the other. Benefits of BigQuery and advantages of resource separation. This separation principle lets BigQuery innovate faster because storage and compute improvements can be deployed independently without downtime or negative impact on system performance. It is also essential to offering a fully managed serverless data warehouse in which BigQuery engineering team handles updates and maintenance. The result is that you don't need to provision or manually scale resources, leaving you free to focus on delivering value instead of traditional database management tasks. BigQuery interfaces. Interaction with BigQuery. BigQuery interfaces include Google Cloud Console interface and the BigQuery command line tool. Developers and data scientists can use client libraries with familiar programming language including Python, Java, JavaScript, and Go, as well as BigQuery REST API and RPC API to transform and manage data. ODBC and JDBC drivers provide interaction with existing applications including third-party tools and utilities. Target users. As a data analyst, data engineer, data warehouse administrator, or data scientist, BigQuery helps you to load, process, and analyze data to inform critical business decisions. That's all for today, guys. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go and watch my videos and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Be curious and we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.